Mozzarella sticks in an air fryer. How good is this? Let's check this out. And first we are going to need some Moomintrollen meat, also called mozzarella cheese. We're going to slice those in a finger thick slices, and then we are going to break 2 eggs in a plate. Whip those eggs in a nice form, and then we're adding some breadcrumbs in other plate. We're going to season the breadcrumbs. We are going to add some paprika in there and also a little bit chili flakes. Mix spices and breadcrumbs together, and then it's time to begin braiding. Roll every mozzarella stick in egg and then in breadcrumbs. And when all the mozzarella sticks are breaded, we are going to put everything in a freezer, like 30 minutes, and after that we are going to take this out. We are going to repeat the breading process again, so we're making double layer of breading. This will prevent the mozzarella sticks to explode in an air fryer. Then again we put those in a freezer for an hour or so. Spray or wipe some oil in your air fryer. This prevents the mozzarella sticks to stick in the air fryer. Then 8 minutes in 200 Celsius and those are ready. Here is the result. Super crunchy outer layer, molten creamy cheese inside. Use some chili dip with this and I can guarantee this is tasty. Hope you liked the video. And to see more air fryer videos, click the link in the screen and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.